Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you. This one is a Jane Austen themed journal. It's a nice little chunky one. Haven't done one of these in a while actually, probably last year maybe. I'm just looking for my notes. There they are. So it measures 8. I'm just going to double check that. It measures 8 by 4 3/4, a 1.5 inch spine, 3 signatures, 128 pages front and back. The middle signature is just basically for journaling. It's just coffee dyed papers. It will be listed and it will have a free shipping offer for today, right? I will put a link below. I think I'll put that in Etsy. I'm not sure. See how I feel, which one I prefer them to go in, because I'm using both at the moment. I'm using Etsy and my coffee shop, just seeing how Etsy's going, and it's going okay. But I'm just don't know which one to put it in. I did say I was going to put the bigger journals in Etsy, but yeah, we'll see. It will be listed below. So anyway, I have used this lovely wallpaper. It's an embossed wallpaper and I left it as is. I didn't colour it or anything. I just thought it was quite nice and kind of clean, fresh, feminine. Now I've used kits from ARTYmaze, Dreams Etc, Tsunami Rose and other people throughout, but the main Jane Austen kits are from them three Etsy stores, them 3 ladies and their Etsy stores. And I might not be able to tell you whose is who anymore because they're all kind of like not messed up, but they're all kind of mingled in. I think that's Dreams Etc, I think. And this, I don't know where that came from, but that was just in one of my folders. So anyway, here we've got a triple pocket. Actually, it's opened at the back. Got a bookmark in here. I don't know who that's from. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is from Dreams Etc. This is ARTYmaze. So is that. There's a little mixture of some florals in there because, you know, it just fits well with the kits. I think this is Dreams Etc. Here we've got a pocket, a little bit of this trim here. We've got Tsunami Rose, Dreams Etc, and Tsunami Rose, I think. Done a little bit of stamping in there as well. So this did turn out a big chunky journal. Little tag there from ARTYmaze. This is from one of ARTYmaze's kits and I can't remember the name of it, but it's just some of the, I just thought, I know there was recent kits with, I think it's like a Valentine love themed, so it was out this year, and I know it had like roses and hearts and stuff, and I just thought it was appropriate for this journal. A little pocket there, a postcard here. I don't know where they're from, found them on Etsy like a year or so ago. I know this is from Tsunami Rose, and we've got a pocket here. Oh, this is from the journal Bolter. This isn't actually, I think this is from one of the other kits from Dreams Etc, but it went well with all this. Can't remember who that's from. That flips out. We've got a pocket here, postcard in there. That's an envelope pocket. Just checking that I'm in frame here. I know the lighting's bad. I got my lights to put up. I just need the husband to do it. He's doing other stuff at the moment, and the other stuff I've been waiting for a while for that to get done, so I'm saying nothing. That's a little element. That's a pocket there. This is ARTYmaze, I believe, and I just put that there so it looks like it's a tab or a little pull, but it's not. Somewhere to journal. The old design shop. You will find links to like everyone I used below, and that will take you straight to their Etsy stores or whatever shop they've got. That's a little flip up. Then here we've got a pocket. It's actually opened at the side as well. Haven't put anything in there. I have got some bits left over actually. A little journal card here. Little journal card there. This was a piece left over from something else that I done, and you can journal on all of this, so that opens up like that, okay, and it's got a side opening. I think this is the, oh no, that's TaylorMadeJournals. Got a top tuck here. That's ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose. And whilst I was looking for the Jane Austen things on my OneDrive, I found Jane Austen Christmas from Tsunami Rose. I was like, ooh, a nice Christmas one. That's a flippy floppy thing, so you can do lots of journaling on that, and you can see there. And then we've got that little saying there. Journal card. It's from Dreams, etc. This is ARTYmaze letter ephemera. There's got to be some letters in there, isn't there? And then that there. Here we go, stamping. Little cluster there. We have Jane Austen bookmark and a little tag. And that little cluster. These flowers, are they from that kit? I can't remember now. Can't remember. A little flip there. Just some ephemera. In that envelope, there's an envelope. Oh, and a tag there. And in there, there is what's in here. Just some coffee dyed paper, inked up and stamped. So you've got some additional journal space. That's a lot of journal space when you think about it. And that goes in there. Some fabric ruffle. Centre of a signature, and we've got some hearts. You can see the stamping there. A little corner tuck. And lots to journal on it. Everything can be journaled on the backs of, so you've got basically a nice image, journal space on the back. Or you can turn it into other things. I like that paper because it's pretty see-through. I don't know if it's a tracing paper or not. I couldn't tell you. I've got lots of it. In fact, I didn't even think about it as tracing paper until now. Not sure who this is from, but it's in a folder. When I put in Jane Austen, things that weren't Jane Austen related actually showed up, so I don't know why that was, but anyway, I was glad because I found quite a lot of bits. Little cluster here, envelope there. That's what I used on the front. And I've got a little postcard in here, little stamp there, and some French ephemera from TaylorMadeJournals. This is, I made this from some vellum. I've got a pack of various neutral coloured vellums, 8x8, and I just made these envelope using my envelope board thing, wherever it is. I was going to show you. Oh, there it is. One of them by We Are Memory Keepers. It's called an envelope punch board. That's what it's called. And I just put some ephemera and little journal card there, and that's in there. And then behind there, with that, I didn't have any of that, can't remember what it's called, 3-in-1 beacon Fabri-Tac stuff. Don't have any left of that, so I just used thin double-sided tape. You can see it a little bit. Journal space, a flip out, that's a bit of a tuck there as well. Some more French ephemera, I think that's ARTYmaze. I think we have a tag in here. I thought that kind of went well with that. And that's a book page pocket. We have a tag there. That's not from, oh, my dogs are barking. There's a lot of noise going on outside, and of course German Shepherds are just very reactive dogs. Well, I think a lot of dogs are, but mine are crazy. That's from, what was I going to say? Dog disrupted me. That's not from the Jane Austen kits, but I just thought it was part of one of the tag sets that I printed off, so I just used it. I don't know who that's from. That's a little flip up, and you can just tuck things in there, journals, you can paper clip in things, little stamp there. Right, like I said, this middle signature or second signature is just various coffee dyed papers, just plain lined, squared, that kind of stuff, and it's just for journaling, and I've just put a ruffle on there. So that's that. If you just want to, I think that'd be good just to get some journaling done in there, or you can fully decorate it if you please. So the third signature, we have got another foldy outy thing, and like I said, I don't know who they're from. Tags, journal cards, ball jar, is that what they're called, a ball jar, and that goes in there. Tsunami rose, I know. Dreams, etc. Another one of these heart things. How pretty are they? They're really sweet. And you know what, when I used that kit, I didn't actually do anything big with it when I used it. I don't think I used them at all, and they are really, really pretty. Pocket here, that's not from the Jane Austen kits, but I just thought it went well. Jane Austen quote there, little quote there. It's a little envelope thing, top tuck under there. You can journal on here, and then I've just put one of them flower things there because I had one there, little bit of ephemera there, and inside here we have that tag and some little postcards. And oops, and I just decorated the inside with that paper, wherever that came from. I don't know. And that just goes in there. I thought that was pretty, just like that. Little cluster there, image and a bookmark. Flippy out thing. Flippy out thing, it's an envelope. Flip out page, somewhere to journal. Some ephemera from TaylorMadeJournals. Some more ephemera. Some stamping, a ruffle. I've got loads of that material, so you'll see that a lot. Oh yeah, hearts and a string. There's hearts and a string in the middle of that center one, that center signature as well. Middle signature, second signature, whatever you want to call it, same thing. Another pocket there filled with journal cards and journal tags. Little cluster there. Postcard here, that's from one of ARTYmaze's kits. I think it was an extra. This paper is just paper, just coffee dyed paper it is. There we go. Put it that way, that looks nice. Or does that way look nice? Actually, I quite like that. Oh, that made me jump. Door blew shut. Today I had a telephone consultation for about an hour today, and everyone was out, and of course what the dog's doing, bark, bark, bark. I was like, oh. Then I did hear my husband and my son come home, and my husband was like using a blowtorchy thing to get paint, a paint stripper thing, to get paint off the banisters because we're stripping it right back. And then all the smoke alarms went off in the house, and I'm like, this is so embarrassing. If it's not the dogs, it's like all the noise that could possibly happen when you're on a serious phone call. It could happen. Yeah, and that was another thing. A door went at one point, and I thought, like, slammed, and I thought, oh my god, I thought it was Home Alone. What's going on? It made me jump. So that's another one of them, vellum. I have to get some more of that. I'll see if I can find that actually and show you. Who is that from? Oh, Paper Mania. 10 sheets of plain neutral vellums. So obviously that's the colours, and I used I think a clear and I think that one. That's my kind of vellum pieces that I have to hand. I've got loads of the normal vellum and printed vellum. Like, I haven't printed it, but there's designs. I've got more, but there's that I've got to hand, and that's lovely. How sparkly is that? Anyway, back to this. But that was the vellum that I used. I kind of like that. I'd like to do like an envelope journal, like, but with the rings or string, not like bound, if you know what I mean, not a bound journal. I haven't done one of them in a long time either. So that's something. I'm trying to kind of relive some things that I've done, not copy them, but, you know, thinking, oh, I haven't done a journal that style in a while. So that's an envelope pocket. Another tag. And here we've got another pocket. There's the dog's barking. My son's friend's got a new dog. It's a Rottweiler, and that was here today, and it's only, I don't know, about 12 weeks old or something like that, if that. And of course, my dog, who I still class as a pup, but well, she's a year old, she was going crazy, like playing with it, not like being horrible, but the little puppy barking at it was just so funny. It was hilarious. So that is the journal. So that is my Jane Austen journal for the year. I think I roughly do about one a year or one every other year. Oh, there's cats fighting outside now. It's really going off, isn't it? Do you know what? It's like, I don't hear, like, apart from like the things that have gone on today, but that's when I'm doing stuff. See, when I'm doing nothing, you don't hear a thing. Not a thing. Anyway, right, that's the journal. Down below it'll be free shipping for today, a 24-hour offer of free shipping, and that includes international. I'm in the UK, so it includes international. I do have journals at the moment that have free UK shipping and half price international shipping, and that ends on the 16th, which is tomorrow, because when I'm videoing this it's still the 15th here for me in the UK. So yeah, you'll find the listing to that below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.